Hey students, Mr. Alonzi here talking about WeVideo because you have a 5 Themes of Geography video that's due Friday. So I kind of want to show you how this works. I'm going to go open up my WeVideo app right here. So this is their WeVideo app. I know it doesn't show the full screen. I had it on a smaller one, so when it's popped up it's a little bit bigger, so some of it might be kind of off. We'll get the main part right here. So we want to, it might ask you to sign in through Google for the first time if you haven't done that, so you're going to have to sign on in. But let's create a new video, and so I'm going to just show you some of the basics for creating a video on WeVideo. So I'm going to just start editing it. You can call it a name. But I already have some photos uploaded for your 5 themes, geography. Remember, you need to show me the 5 themes of geography. So basically, like, show me movement, show me region, show me human environment action. Show me all these different things, either at Prairie View or show me them at your home. So 5 is geography, your home or your neighborhood. You can do that. So what you can do is you can take those photos. You're like, okay, I got my 5 things of geography. Maybe you're taking videos, and you can add them in there. How do you do that? Well, you just simply click them right here. So I'm going to add stuff about Tony. So I like this one. This is a good one of me and him making frowny faces right here. I got one of me and him reading in his little diaper. He's going to be so embarrassed when he sees this. So I'm making this video of my guy Tony. And so I already had to upload these photos for an earlier project, but I just want to show you kind of how you make it. And so one of the things I'm going to say is I'm going to ask you to add some media, whether it's a video or an image, so you have to upload them. And then once you do that, you get them on here, and then you can just add them right in. I'm going to ask you to add some title cards, so maybe like you're going to put in right here, like, oh, okay, I'm going to insert and push. Maybe like, oh, this one is going to be about movement. So you'd have like, or maybe you're interested like 5 themes of geography. You can do that right there. You can then add it, save changes, and then, okay, 5 things of geography, and then I want you to add some transitions in there. So this little guy's transition, so maybe you can just play around with it. So I'm going to do this one right here. So let's add it in right here. I'm going to add it. I want to add it in between these two. So I have 5 things of geography, and and then I also want you to add some music. So let's get some inspirational music. Let's get Happy Ukulele. So you can play around with this very easy. You can just kind of drag it and make a pretty cool video. So I'm going to just preview. What does it look like? There's my guy Tony. So you can kind of make a video quick and easy. The idea behind this is I just want you to make a WeVideo project where you are having a little bit of fun, but also show me those 5 themes of geography. That's what I'm really looking for, the 5 themes of your house or neighborhood area that you're at, or the 5 themes of Prairie View. So I want you to do that. Once you do that, you'll see this big finish button up here. Press finish button, I go set, and then this is the big deal. How do I Dropbox it, Mr. Lonzi? If you look right here, I'm going to actually move the screen a little bit so you can see it a little bit easier. There's this thing right here. You press Schoology, and you can go right to the assignment. Boom! Dropbox it right there. And so this will help you send this video directly to your school Dropbox. So 5 themes of geography video. So please turn it on in there. So that's how you do your WeVideo, a little bit of it, and how you do this. Maybe you've been introduced to WeVideo, maybe not. Have a little bit of fun with it. I mean, 5 themes, I just want the basic of the 5 themes, but then also you can learn how to make videos, which should be cool for not only future projects at school, but maybe you want to make your own videos, and this could be a great way for you to start out. Hope you have a great time making the video, guys. Have a little fun with it. Bye.